Hello guys, welcome to our channel Essential BI. So in this session, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn how to calculate sum in the Excel. So here we have data of order ID, category, sales, quantity, discount and profit. So we can see if we will select that column, so it will automatically give us the sum of this column 7976. But this is not the permanent, so we need to calculate the permanent sum. So we will use the sum formula from Excel, and we will select the range, whatever the sum we want to display in this row. So if you can see, here is the same sum. So same thing we can also drag with other column. So we can see the overall sum, overall sales is 7976, and overall profit is 1527 minus 1527, and discount should be 3.25, and the quantity should be 77. So that's all guys. Thank you.